So in today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the SVS PB-3000, and I've got Bear sitting over here. Got Angel over here, she's kind of off camera. And basically, first thing I want to do is talk about knife selection. You probably don't want to use your wife's good cutlery. That's not a good way to make friends. Another piece that would do the job, but again, probably not going to make the wife too happy. But I'm going to go with this. We'll see how it works. Maybe a little bit of overkill, but we'll see how it goes. Now when you go to open this box, you'll see this little how to open little thing here. And it says, carefully roll this box over and open your new SVS subwoofer from the bottom. There, you'll see additional instructions to help you safely unbox your subwoofer. So we're going to do that now. So this is pretty standard. You just tuck the flaps of the box back, turn it over, and reveal your subwoofer. All right, so if you're worried about if you can go from the PB-2000 to the 3000, this gives you an idea on the actual difference in size. And there's a bear. So, as you can see, bigger drivers, all right. Not much taller. Pardon the interruption. Hey, bear. Seriously, bud. All right, so, not that much taller. Okay, seriously, just a little bit. All right, and then the other big thing is depth. Now, I've lined these up to where they're just right on. And the 3000 only sticks out a little bit further. This is, to me, I see this as great news for what I need this for. But yeah, I just wanted to show that. So if you're concerned about, gosh, would you be able to fit a PB-3000 if you already have a PB-2000? I think the answer is probably yes. There's not a huge difference in size in these like there is with the, does that smell good, buddy? Like there is with the PB-4000. The PB-4000s are definitely noticeably bigger. So this one you could almost, you put the covers on, someone might not notice. Not that I'm giving anyone any bad ideas. Okay, so I want to give you an idea of the difference in sizes here. Now, I can't really back up far enough to make this work here. But these, that's the PB-3000, that's the PB-2000 without isolation. And that's the PB-2000 and the PB-3000 with isolation. So you can get an idea. Let me back up a little bit more here so we can get a good, kind of give you an idea there. I don't know if that helps, but it gives you some perspective. Again, you've got the 2 ports with the PB-3000 versus the 1 port with the PB-2000. The PB-3000s are definitely heavier, no doubt about that. I'm kind of breathing a little hard, I'm embarrassed to say. But yeah, that's with the grills on and isolation, that's with grills off and no isolation. So it's a little bit shorter when you don't have the isolation system on there. But that gives you an idea of the size differences between the PB-2000 and the PB-3000. I'm going to see about getting the PB-4000s in here to compare those so you can really get an idea. For sure, the PB-4000s are definitely noticeably bigger. So the jump from the PB-2000 to the 3000 isn't so bad. So, all right, so here are the PB-3000s all set up. I've got the isolation underneath them. I do that because I have a terrible floor. But as you can see, they've got the dual ports and things like that. So I can't even really give you a first impression on these. I haven't even run room correction yet, so I need to do that, things like that. But definitely click the subscribe button, click the bell, so you can follow up on what I think of these. So far, there's nothing I don't like yet. Again, the sizing issue, you know, if you already have PB-2000s and you're wanting to go to the 3000, you know, it's really not going to be an issue as far as size goes because they're not much bigger. They do seem to have a little bit more kick to them though. So, but again, I need to run room correction, do all that to really get a subjective view on these things. But so far, it's pretty cool. So again, stay tuned, click the bell, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Seaweed dog, huh?
Get this one too. Okay, last one, big stuff. I don't want you getting fat off seaweed.